اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Now, going towards the first wajib. Wajib wudu is very simple. Wajib wudu starts with washing our face. So first time is wajib, second time is mustahib, but third time is haram. So be aware of that. Okay, how to count? The next question, how to count? That is first time, that is second time. So it depends on your niyat. You can pour water, like how many times you are considering this as one. So even you can pour water 5 times and you are considering on niyat that, oh, this is the first time. So it's okay. So it depends on your niyat. So first time is wajib and it depends on niyat. However, if you you can pour water how many times, but it depends on your niyat. So first time is wajib, second is mustahib, and the third is haram. So be aware of that. Now these are the must things. Water should pass. The direction is important. It should be from top to the bottom. And of course, there's no beard and mustache. We all are girls. So water should pass to the apparent parts of our face and body, face and hands. They are not talking about the hidden parts. Some people wear nose pins, so it's not necessary that you are, water should reach or to the single and the apparent part. The part which is considered apparent. So if somebody has very dense eyebrow, they should not worry about it. They make sure that water is passing to the apparent part of their face and their hands in their eye corner. So make sure when you wash your face, you can do like this and make sure that water is passing to every single space, every single particle of your skin. Okay. Now, similarly, washing with hands, you have to start with your elbow. For the ladies is mustahib, and then you have to go down all the way till the fingertips. So first time is wajib, second time is mustahib, and third time is haram. So be aware of that. And for men, obviously, their mustahib is to start from the other side, the elbow side. Okay, now the wiping is about masah, as you already discussed. It should be from top to the bottom. And there are extra things that even if our water is dry, so you cannot use the new water, so they can use their palm, back of the hand, 3 or 4 fingers, or even masah can be done. This is very simple maslah. Masah can be done even 1 finger. So this is the extra knowledge for you guys. Okay. What is better? It's better to do masah with 3 fingers. From top to the bottom till this place where your hair grows. So using this is important. Somebody do like this with the nails. So only the tip of your fingers, not exactly when you make a 90-degree angle. Nails should not be there. Your fingertips should be there. Okay. So anyway, some people ask, can we use the back of the hand? And can we do that? These are extra questions. I don't want to get you confused. For simple, I am telling you the simple masail. So better to do with 3 fingers. Okay. For hair, just I'm saying, for masah, the ladies have long hair, so it's nice that if they part, they make a mang and then do from here. And any side, it's not necessary that middle one, can any side of your hair. You should divide and then do the masah. Obviously, I just put the picture because many days do implant, transplant. So there's a maslah on transplant. Masah is okay, but on implant, it's not be done because it's like a wig. Water is not passing through their skin. So that is another ruling. Okay, regarding the masah of the your toes, your foot. So it's better to keep your hand on the tip of your toes and then go from this direction. Whole hand on your foot. So do the right foot with the right hand and the left foot with the left hand. Many people ask that, oh, we can put the nail polish. So why it is allowed? Because this is the masla of the Masah. Even Masah can be done from one finger. So that's why we can leave one nail and you can do the Masah. That's why. But it's not allowed for the hands. It's not allowed for the ghusl. It's just because of this Masah. It can be done on the foot like that. So that's why that nail polish thing is allowed. I hope it is clear. Okay, so these are other possibilities. So wiping both foot with both hands or cross is allowed here. This is extra knowledge, but I don't want you guys to be confused. This is all extra knowledge. But it's for your information that you cannot say anybody else, oh, your wuzu is batil, your wuzu is batil. I'm just telling you the wajibas, but these are extra knowledge. Even you can do that in case of urgency. You can do the cross is also allowed. But what is not allowed? Masah on the socks is not allowed.
اللهم صل على محمد